Hi guys, we're all living in strange times. COVID-19 has turned our lives upside down. Nearly 1 in 4 women has reported depressive symptoms during this period, which is double the number from normal times. It is during this isolation that we realize how incredibly important socializing is for us. This feeling of belonging to a family, to a group of friends, and a community. Personally, within the first few days of lockdown, I started to panic. I really did. I felt housebound. I couldn't see my kids and grandkids who live abroad. I felt stuck and suffocated. Life, as I knew, like all of you, it was taken from our hands, and then I would read all these headlines that life would stay like this, God knows till when, which further increased my anxiety. It felt like a free fall. So, these are the tips that I learned along the way to mentally survive COVID, which I would like to share with you. So the first point is, be giving. It sounds odd that I'm asking you to give, but believe you me, by giving, you will get peace of mind. I started to busy myself and think about how to help others. One of my friends had been abroad and returned when there was little food available in the shops. I kept a starter pack for her. I called friends who were having a difficult time and chatted things out with them. I cooked meals for friends who couldn't and had them dropped off by my family. I felt good giving something back. At least I was helping someone, though in a small way. So, by giving, I felt better about myself. I'm blessed that I was able to give. The second point is, have gratitude. I was not alone at home and live with family. So I have someone to talk to. I was grateful for this. My physical health is fine, and although I couldn't meet all my friends, but at least none of my family had COVID. My friends didn't have COVID, so I was grateful for that. When I read the paper, I started reading news about health workers putting their lives at risk every day. I was grateful that I didn't have to expose myself to those risks. I had stories about parents with young children stuck in flats. I was grateful that we had food on the table. I found things that were going my way and recognized and appreciated them. So try to make a gratitude list to help you along the way. Gratitude reminded me how lucky I am. Now the third point is, get busy. What did I do? Apart from cooking for friends and bonding with my grandchildren, I decided to start vlogging. I didn't realize it at the time, but COVID has arguably been beneficial for me because I started this project and I am enjoying communicating with you all. It kept me busy, sometimes too busy to worry, too busy to know that no vaccine will be found till, God knows, maybe 2050. Too busy to know that lockdown is never going to end. The fourth point is, keep healthy. I mean, this is, we always talk about. Keep eating well, sleeping well, and exercising, but especially during this period. This helps you feel better and less stressed. As you know, I love walking, but suddenly we weren't allowed out. I spent more time in the garden then. I used YouTube videos to give me exercise routines, and I stopped spending too much time on my phone. All these forwards and articles, confusing articles, most of them, about the death rate, and they just really made me sad, and they made me feel helpless. So for me, ignorance on these matters was bliss. Love yourself, be kind to yourself, and don't criticize yourself too much. Be proud of how you are handling this situation. And finally, accept. Be humble enough to know that you cannot control everything. Accept what life is handing you. Sometimes we have to flow in life like a leaf in a stream. Just go with that flow. Let go, and you'll see automatically you will relax. I had this hanging from my wall and I wanted to share this with you. God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I can't change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. Till next week,